All right, so we got 2 rags here. We're gonna try to fold them up. There we go. We got our bottle of cleaner. We got 19 and 20. Now, people tell you there's something I can do during league. I can't wipe machines down because there's moving parts. There's people bowling, yada yada yada. Okay, so let's prove that. Now, I'm not climbing into the machine. I'm gonna stay back here. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. But all this needs to get wiped out. Everything you can see right here, right down the turn pan, needs to be wiped down. We're gonna take our cleaner. We're gonna get our rag wet. Our wag. And we're gonna watch. We're gonna watch for bowlers because they don't know I'm back here. They don't know what I'm doing. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wipe the ball wheel. As you can tell, that kicker's still pretty good. Never wrap the rag around your hand. You know, you just want to rest your hand on it, cup it, hold it with your thumb. If that grabs to a point where it's going to cause the issue, you can easily just let go. It'll go with the machine. Now that we wipe down the ball wheel, we'll turn over here. Nice clean spot of the rag. Get the cleaner on there. Get the pinwheel. Stick your hand in there, spread your fingers out. They get both the corners. Now where my hand is, a ball coming up will not impact me. And I can sit here and I can check all the little nubs as they go by. I can check the cups as they go by. And I can wipe them down. I get all that dirt out of there. Look, see, with my hand here, that ball will go right by there. No problem at all. Well, we got that on the pinwheel. That's not going to get on the pins. Next, another clean spot. More cleaner. Get out of the covers. Get all the nasty gunk off there. It's building up. They haven't been wiped off. Get them nice and clean. Ball spinning ball eliminator. Wipe it down. Make sure it's clean. Now you don't want your hand in there when that ball goes through. It's gonna hurt. It won't break nothing, but it'll hurt. Wipe it down. Clean. Don't forget the corner here. Anytime you're in here and you're doing this, you're listening. You're going to hear that ball hit the lane. You don't want your hand in there when the ball hits the back because if you got bad stuff, that's not going to stop the ball very well. Alright, now that we got that, another clean spot here. Wait for these pins to go through. We're going to get a pin wipe. We'll wipe this down right up to the top. We're going to check it real quick. Check for any sharp spots. If there's a sharp spot, you want to mark that down to the back for later. Wipe our turn pan out. We got pins coming, so let them pass through. Have a little gap here, so this should be enough time. Pull this out. Pop it down real good. This turn pan is actually a little extra icky. It should feel nice and smooth when it's clean. Shouldn't be any black spots on there. Shouldn't be any marks going across there. Should just be nice and clean. Well, you know, cleaned up. That'll reduce the amount of jams here. Keep your pins a little bit cleaner because that stuff's not riding back up onto the pins. Then we'll get our return tracks. Wipe that down. Like so. Have them wiped down. There's less dust and stuff collecting back on the ball when the ball passes over it. That's it for the inside here. They can get hit by a ball. They get caught in the machine. Quite easy. We'll flip this over. Another clean spot. A little more cleaner on there. We're gonna come up here. On the wide track. On the belt for the accelerator. Now, again, drag resting, press it on there. Good wipe. Got that wiped down. Gonna wait for this ball to go through. You always gotta pay attention. Once you get in the middle, there could be a ball coming from either side. You don't want your hand there. Work it through. Wipe down the wide track. Wipe down the diverter. And while you're wiping it down, you can check. See the nubs? The nub. That nub's worn down. So that's something I'm going to remember to come back to fix. Don't have to during league, but if that gets too far worn down, the track's able to go too far. You can see it's past the accelerator fan. When that's worn down, well, now you get balls colliding at the wide because that ball can actually stop there or impact the fan and cause damage. So now that we got that back in place, let's grab our guard here, put our guard back down. And we can do 20. 19's all done, clean. So, one rag down, next rag. Same process again. That ball hesitated a bit. See here, wipe this down. Oh! Look at that. Grabbing now, ain't it? Okay, with the right side. We're wiping these down. We know they're going to throw into the ball soon. We're being careful. We're listening. That ball ain't back the lane. Or us, whichever. Different bowler. Always be on a swivel. You don't want to get hit. You don't want to get caught. I can feel it's rough right in here. There's a low spot right there. You see damage right up here at the top? Ball hesitation. The machine actually isn't too dirty, but again, there we go. Wipe it down, wipe it down. I'll tell you about the shock. The shock is bad. That ball impacts here. This won't stop that ball, so it comes flying back even faster. So obviously, we gotta get some shocks in on this lane. I'm wiping this down, checking for red spots or rust here. You see red rust, you know, stuff's loose. grab it. Looks like it's a little loose up there in the front. Again, you write things down, make a little note so you know what to come back and check. Just flip our rag again. Didn't forget the pinwheel. Get in there. Clean side. In here, our pin wipe. You can see right here. Spring. So we're going to come back in a little bit. We're going to flip this spring over. Even that tension out. Now you can see how mucky that is. Get this all cleaned up. All the black there. You can see where the pins are rubbing across here. Looks like there's going to be a little bit out of, looks like we're a bit out of alignment here. This end is pushed in, this end is out. So we're going to straighten this up when we put the spring over. That we can do real quick. So we finished the wipe down, we wiped everything down here. So we can just let them bowl at this point. Clean off the back, you can read the stickers again even. Why not?